Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Chandra, which is stacked and stuffed. I will link all of her information down below, but this little envelope's got my name on it. It says, "Thank you for hosting. I did make you an embellishment box, but gifting a few items that you may be able to use in your Halloween crafts." I definitely appreciate that, and that's okay. You don't have to make me anything, but look how cute her little fry box is, and it's little witch fry box. That is so cute. Pretty sure this is a SVG file. I think I've seen this one before. I have one that is like skeleton fingers. So there's like little boxes that you put in the inside that kind of look like skeleton finger fries. I think it's Silhouette Studios, but that's really cute. Let's see what's inside. What can I use for my pastel crafts? I want to know. Oh, I see some lunar paste. Oh, look how pink that is. I have an immediate use for this. Immediate. Look how pink that is. That is so bright. I definitely appreciate that. Love a hot pink. Oh, these are really cute. Look at these little paper clips, and they say today, thanks, ASAP, and urgent. Little journal paper clips. And then you can always use some pink tulle. Thank you so much, Chandra. Definitely get some use out of it. I'm so excited to use this lunar paste. And then let's get into her swap. Here's her swap. Poor girl forgot to put her shakers in her box, and she had to mail them separately. You know how many times I've forgotten to put something in the box in my swap? So often. Usually it's like a card or a note, or sometimes I forget the sweet treat, whatever it is. But let me open this real quick. Okay, so here's our box. So she's got two little shakers here. She's got this witch hat and then a little potion bottle. So cute. I love this holographic paper behind it. I think it's last year's paper pad, Joanne's paper pad, but I really like it. And then a look at the box that she's created to put her embellishment box in. She's got this witch, and she's layered up on a rosette. She's got some spooky tulle. She's got this like doily piece. It's riding a little broom that she's made out of one of the little Halloween picks. And she's got some of this like creepy mesh. I love this paper that she used too. So pretty. And then she's got a couple pieces of tape that are holding the little flap shut. Okay, it's just so in here she's got a little notepad. Let me open this real quick. Here's her information, but again, I will link everything down below. But she's created this little notepad, and she's used spiderweb paper, and it's got little spiders on it. And it's like a little matchstick style. Oh, it's not a notepad. It's sweet treats. I thought from the side, for whatever reason, I thought it was like a little sticky notepad. But she's got little candy bars in there. How cute are they? So cute. She's used ribbon down here. Those are so, so cute. Too cute to eat, right? Well, I just want to make sure I get that back in there. I'll wrap that back up. And here's her embellishment box. She's got a cute little ribbon tassel down here. Very, very cute. Oh, I got it upside down. It says spooky. She's got spiders and spider webs all over. And she's also used this pom-pom trim. This is from Michael's. Some of this ribbon is too, I think. But we're going to get into it. I like how her container's orange. I have a couple of these orange ones. Here's all of her information. I think she's joined almost every single one of my swaps this season for Halloween. At least two of them. Anyway, she's got her little sequin mix shovel in here. She's got a sequin mix in here. And then she's got here, I assume these charms go in here. She's got some bubblegum beads, and she's got these jack-o'-lantern beads. They're really cute. I have them as well. I just want to make sure I get everything to fit back in, you know. She's got some trim samples in here. She's got a cute little clothespin. She's got a furry little charm. She's got some nail charms and some spiders in this little bag. And then in this little bag, she's got little die cut like sequins like scatter. There's like ghosties. There's, oh, she's even embossed it or done some like glitter work on some spider webs. They're very cute. Very, very cute. And here she's got one of the little shaker charms, and she's got some enamel charms. We've got ghosties. We've got, it almost looks like a Furby, but it's not. We have a black cat, jack-o'-lantern. Ooh, this is a cute little wire wrapped bead. We've got little vampire fangs, little ghost, a little cat, another little wire wrapped thing. And then we have some like silver charms down here. Oh, here's another little alloy charm. So we have some witches, we have jack-o'-lanterns and spider webs. And then in here we have some candy corns, we have a gummy bear, we have some orange and black beads, we have another little shaker bead, we have a little spider. Ooh, these little square stripe beads are really cute too. And then we have these little jack-o'-lantern beads, and then underneath them are some jemmies. She's also included the dividers that she took out from up here so that you can put them back in there and use them. She's got some bigger gumball beads here, and then this is like one of those like homemade like beads, like a paper bead. Isn't that cool? Looks like kind of some script or something. It's really neat. I really like how she's put her label in here. She's put like one of like a little page protector in there, and she's got her little information like that. I really like that. That's a really clever idea. I might have to craft lift that for future reference. So that is Shanda's swap. Thank you so much for joining another one of my swaps. She's a great crafter. Please make sure you give her some crafty love, and we will see you in the next swap review. Bye, guys.